Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Wednesday. Today is November the 26th, the day before Thanksgiving. We're out here in the Hamilton Mill area. This is the residence of Mrs. Kim. She called me last week. I never came out and did an in-home consultation. She sent me pictures. She also sent me the measurements. She had the floors done about 4 years ago, and I do know the company, and what found out they did not put a good finish on her floor. She was not happy about that because her floors have a lot of micro scratches, a lot of scuff marks. And then when I told her, because I educated her that all finishes are not equal, so she did her own research and she found out that the finish that the other company used was a one component finish, which in my opinion is not good for residential, and it's definitely not good for your top coat. So what we're going to be doing today, guys, is putting the best finish on the market on her floors. ProCoat RadCoat, 1,632 square feet. Also, shout out to Christian, my recommended moving guys that I recommend. They actually came and moved her furniture on Monday. So let me flip this around and show you what we got going today. All right, guys, so we're in the Hamilton Mill area. I got my guy Alan from the Boston area doing his day 2 ride along. Also, Mrs. Kim is not here. She's out of town, so she gave me my own code to get into the house. And so she's actually on the golf course of Hamilton Mill. This is a nice area. So she actually gave me my own access code to get in. And this is what we're gonna be doing, guys. So again, if you look at these floors, it has a lot of scuff marks, like stuff like this, guys. A lot of little scratches. She said, Courtney, I can take my fingernail and it just kind of chips off. So there's Alan, day 2. We need to get some more light in here. We're gonna be doing this room right here. We're gonna be doing all of this right here. I mean, just all through, guys. I mean, that's why I always try to educate people. Sometimes when you go cheap, that's exactly what you get, and then you gotta redo it. And I'm not saying she did, but sometimes that is the case. So, I'll see right here, guys. See all that? Okay. Now we're not going to do this room, so we're going to stop about right here because that's where they put a lot of the furniture in. Right here. Yeah. Yep. So all right, guys, we're going to get started. This is an ebony stain. This floor is dark. See all this right here. Yep. All right, guys, go ahead and get started. Stay tuned.
Dacula, Georgia, we pulled up with that heat, 1,600 square feet, time to bring it back elite. Client did her homework, she ain't fall for nothing cheap. She said, Truman, fix these floors, bring that shine back deep. Old finish failed, left the color looking tired. 4 years later, she said, I need the best, I'm inspired. So she searched online, typed in UV-cured king. Now Truman on the scene, we brought that RadCoat sheen. That's a Truman. Let's go get it, let's go get it, ayy. RadCoat glow, watch the whole room lit it, ayy. Screen and RadCoat, UV-cured, no gimmicks, 1,600 feet, yeah, we handle big business. Truman, let's go get it, let's go get it, ayy. Ride along with me, Alan, watching every minute, ayy. Dacula floor revival, yeah, the whole house winning. When you choose the best finish, that's a whole new beginning. We hit it with the screen, smooth pressure, clean cuts. Every pass surgical, no shortcuts. Alan from Boston, day 2, riding strong, learning how we flip floors, teaching him the Truman song, yeah. UV lights out, room turned to a stage. We cure every coat like we freezing time and place. ProCoat RadCoat, yeah, the legend of the game. Client took one look and said, that's why your name rang. Kodo singing in the corner like a calm sunrise. Floor glow dancing, bringing peace to her eyes. Every line level, every pass so true. Truman Hardwood, this the craft we do, yeah. Truman,
let's go get it, ayy. RadCoat glow, watch the whole room lit it, ayy. Screen and Recoat, UV-cured, no gimmicks, 1,600 feet, yeah, we handle big business. Truman, let's go get it, let's go get it, ayy. Ride along with me, I'm watching every minute, ayy. Dacula floor revival, yeah, the whole house winning. When you choose the best finish, that's a whole new beginning, yeah.
Said Courtney, I'm glad I found you online, cause the last company missed it, they ain't built to refine. RadCoat popping off the grain, they UV tight. Now the floor look like it's glowing through the night. 1,600 square feet, that's a Truman display. Boston to Georgia, Allen watching how we play. Dacula show love, now our floor's top tier. RadCoat shine, hidden like a chandelier. Oh yeah,
Let's go get it, let's go get it, ayy. RadCoat glow, watch the whole room lit it, ayy. Screen and Recoat UV-cured, no gimmicks. 1,600 feet, yeah, we handle big business. Truman, let's go get it, let's go get it, ayy. Ride along with me, I'm watching every minute, ayy. Dacula floor revival, yeah, the whole house winning. ProCoat RadCoat, new life, new vision, yeah.
Guys, that is gonna do it. These floors came out amazing, and now that I look over here at the part we didn't do, you can see a lot of scuff marks, see, like right there, compared to the part that we did today. Floors came out amazing. That finish looks really, really good on this floor. Okay. And Christian them actually on their way here to move the furniture back. You can really see that grain, that soft grain of the wood. All right, guys, well, we're going to be off tomorrow and Friday. Kitchen. I don't know, guys. I don't think this kitchen has some water damage. It just has a, like, right up in here around the island, but you do see some cupping as well. So either some type of humidity issue or water damage. But it still looks great. This floor right here. Now I did notice, but this is actually in the stain over here, and I see it in numerous areas. But if you look really close, you see right there. See that those marks? Those are not scuff marks. That's actually in the stain of the wood. It's like some type of wheel mark. So it got into the stain, and you would have to knock the stain. But when you stand over it, you don't see it. You only see it from different angles. Like if I stand here, I don't see it. But if I stand here, I see it. See that? Well, see right there? Right there. So that's the only place I see that at. But overall, guys, floors came out great. Thank you to my... Oh, excuse me. Thank you to my client, Miss Kim, for allowing us and trusting us in her home. Guys, this means a lot to me, man. I went and did a consultation today, and she just raved about me. She said, Courtney, your presence, your reviews, your videos, people love those videos, man. So, all right, guys. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.